sucks. As soon as they get going, you can't see them anymore because of the dust. But it's good to watch them take off. There's a Buell going out right now. Look at this.
That is a C1 Buell Lacer with park by the
Tatro was supposed to get the Buell going, but couldn't, so he switched to the end end. So this is, it's got 2 cylinders. So mine's a 500cc. This would be 1200, 1000, 1200 on that one. Oh, it's pretty sweet looking. So hopefully they'll clear. Say hi, Jill.
Hi, Jill.
1.62. So they wait till the guy, typically you'll hear them announce the time, and that means the guy's cleared at the end, and then when they get out of the way, they get the next bike up the line. You always hope there's not an accident, because that just throws a monkey wrench and everything. Especially a breakup accident where parts have to be picked up, cleared off. This guy looks like he's ready. Close your shield. See you close your shield. There you go. I think he's probably just running to get a run in and see how he does. He seemed like he was in a big hurry. Oh, and he's got a horse trailer following him. Pretty large device to pick up your Buell on. That guy wasn't going real fast. It'll take him a little bit longer to get to the end. 122.107. Oh, 122. So track's clear. We're gonna get this guy fired up.
This is an H. Diesel Streamliner with Chris Mercick behind the controls, running on an open record of 140. Rod Riders Club entry. This is a Vesco body. A 1980s vintage VW 4-cylinder diesel engine. Changed up a few things on the turbo from round 1 and going into round 2, hoping for some more speed than what he had earlier. Go, Chris, go.
It's actually pretty nice out here today. Got a little bit of a breeze, not too hot, and you could be out here blistering. There's no wind.
Car number 81, getting closer to that 140 open record.
Should hear the announcement of the time soon. Be cleared.
Yeah, we're good. We'll see you back up here.
Fast.
Watch these two go down and take a break here.
Stand by for a number.
Yeah, we've been here before. Getting up too late, too away from the start, and Tatro starts the bike up and blows a piston, roll out, fix the piston, put it back in, come back up, and then try and make another run. For some reason, he likes starting it up and gunning it just to make noise, and then blow the engine up. So.